everybody, this is Mary and I'm here once again for another edition of G Suite Tips. Ever wonder how you're going to be doing recitation in an online class, especially when you're using Google Classroom? Well, Google Classroom has the solution for you. As long as you're using the Google Classroom mobile app in Android or iOS, you can randomly select students for participation in your class. You can even skip them and move to the next student and mark them as absent in your student selector. Let's see how. Open the Google Classroom app in Android or iOS. Under the People tab, click on the Student Selector icon found at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This will lead you to the Student Selector feature in Google Classroom that allows you to randomize your selection. You may call on the student that appears on the screen or click on Call Later to skip them. If a student is absent, you can mark them as absent. Click on Next to call on the next student for participation. This will mark the previous student as picked. You may view your list by clicking on the stats at the top of the screen and scrolling down to know who were already picked, are absent, or not picked yet. You may also reset the list by clicking the Reset button, and this will mark all students as not picked. There you have it, Student Selector in Google Classroom.